Rainforest Surprises by Kelly Martinson, illustrated by Carol Schwartz. Rainforest Surprises. Rainforests are hot, wet places filled with wonderful surprises. Tall trees shade the forest floor. Surprise! It rains almost all of the time here. Treetops, forest floor, river. Who lives in these tall trees? Here is an inset. A lot of rain flows into a very long river. Surprise! A baby harpy eagle lives here. Its parents built a huge nest in a tall tree. They're hunting for lunch to feed their hungry baby. Beware, monkeys and parrots. Are those green leaves in another nest? Fresh green twigs and leaves keep the nest cool. Surprise! It's a shaggy, green, three-toed sloth. A sloth is the slowest furry animal on Earth. Sloths live in trees and eat juicy leaves and fruits. The green plant-like stuff on the sloth is called algae. Did a sloth munch on those leaves? Surprise! Leafcutter ants cut out big pieces of leaves. Then they carry the pieces back to their underground nest. Millions of ants can strip a tree in just one day. Are you noticing something as we're reading this book? I noticed that in blue it first has surprise, but then I see a main idea of this page. The main idea is that leafcutter ants cut out big pieces of leaves. The details are that they carry the pieces back to their underground nest, and that millions of ants can strip a tree in just one day. So I'm noticing that this book has a main idea, details, text structure. Remember, that is a nonfiction text structure. Fungus. The ants use the leaves to grow fungus, and then they eat it. What's that near the ants? Surprise! It's an anteater. Anteaters can eat thousands of ants in one day. But the ants bite and sting, so the anteater doesn't stay for long. The anteater slurps up ants, termites, and eggs with its tongue. How do other animals protect themselves? Look at this cool bird nest. Surprise! These are colorful little frogs. These colorful little frogs are poisonous. Their bright colors warn other animals not to eat them. There are more than 200 kinds of poison dart frogs. The frog's poison is on its skin, so don't touch. Blue dart frog, golden dart frog, strawberry dart frog. Is that a vine wrapped around this branch? Surprise, it's a big snake. The green anaconda is the world's largest snake. It quietly waits for prey to pass by. Then it wraps around the prey and squeezes tight. Green anacondas eat big prey like tapirs and jaguars. What else is hiding? What else is the rainforest hiding? Surprise! This rainforest is hiding a very old city. Rain or shine, there is always surprises in the rainforest. People built this city hundreds of years ago. More about the rainforests. The plants and animals in this book live in the Amazon rainforest of South America. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Page 16 shows the ruins of Kulap, an ancient city in Peru.